Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. We're back and we're still troubleshooting outlets. If you found that all your GFCIs are good, you want to head down to the panel. Once you're there, check to see if any breakers look like they have been tripped. If they all look okay, go ahead and take your panel cover off and check the wires for loose connections. You can also get your multimeter out and see if your breakers are pushing out 120 volts. Sometimes the breaker just stops working, but it doesn't trip. If everything looks okay, then you need to figure out which breaker controls the outlets that aren't working. I wouldn't rely on your panel schedule to tell you which breakers that is. Most of the panels I see are improperly labeled. You want to get your circuit breaker finder out and plug it into one of the working outlets on that circuit. More than likely, a working outlet near the non-working one is on the same circuit. Once you have identified the breaker, turn it off and go around and find out everything that has been turned off by that breaker. After that, you need to open up all the devices connected to that circuit to see if there are any loose connections or burnt wires. 90% of the time, if it's an outlet that's not working, then the problem is in the next outlet ahead of it in the circuit. It may even be the one you plugged your circuit breaker finder into. If you still need help, visit thevirtualelectrician.com to schedule a virtual electrician to help you solve your problem.